Hey there, fellow travelers, and welcome back to our channel. If you are planning a trip to the Big Apple, means the great stunning New York City, a city that never sleeps, so you have come to the right place. Today we are going to discuss the top 5 problems faced by tourists in New York City, and more importantly, the solutions to these problems. So let's dive right in. Problem 1, crowded transportation. The first challenge that may tourists encounter in New York City is crowded transportation, especially during rush hours. Whether it's the subway, the buses, the hustle and bustle can be overwhelming. Solution: plan travel times wisely by avoiding rush hours. Problem 2, high costs of accommodation. Dining food and entertainment can quickly drain tourists' wallets. Solution: budget wisely by researching affordable options and using discount passes. By researching affordable options and using discount passes. Problem 3. Language barrier can be an issue as tourists may encounter people who speaks different languages. Solution: use language apps or carry a pocket dictionary for effective communication. Problem 4, unpredictable weather in NYC. With extreme heat, heavy rain, or snow, depending on the season. Solution: dress in layers, carry an umbrella or light jacket, and check the weather forecast daily. Problem 5, overcrowding at popular tourist spots like Times Square and the Statue of Liberty. Solution: consider visiting popular landmarks early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid dense crowd and long wait times. With careful planning and flexibility, tourists can have an incredible and memorable experience in NYC. That is it for the video. Hope you find it informative, so do not forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting content.